You ready to make a hanging kitchen towel? And it's no sew? Let's do this. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So we start with a pot holder, some thread. I have some embroidery needles, a towel, and a button, and this stuff. It's Fabric Fusion. It's InstaFuse by Aleene's, and it is crazy pants good. So we're going to take our pot holder, put it whatever way is going to be on the outside. I happen to have the pattern on the inside of this, so I put my Aleene's InstaFuse all in the center. Done. Then we're going to take our towel and I'm going to fold it in half to get the center point, and then see how I'm putting it down face pretty side down, right? Then we're going to smooth it out. Then I have a piece of parchment paper and I'm going to iron it. The directions say to do 30 seconds in little circles so you don't ruin your fabric, and then you're going to flip it over. Now I'm going to protect my surface with this heat safe thing, and I'm also putting the parchment paper on it because I don't want the glue to accidentally get on my pad. And then we're gonna do the same thing, 30 seconds. And friends, I was blown away. You gotta let it cool. Once it cools though, the adhesion, super strong, and I was, seriously, it was awesome. All right, so then this is how I do a knot, by the way, at the end of my thread. I roll it and then I pull it in between my fingers. I didn't know if you needed to know that, but there you go. So now I'm going to add this button. This button came from, I think, a mixture of buttons that I got at Dollar Tree. And all I'm doing right now is adding that button to the top part of our pot holder. Excuse me. And however you sew a button. I am really not great at sewing buttons. So you're going to watch me do this button, and you're probably, if you're a good sewer, are going to be cringing. I apologize. But I come from the school of get her done. And so that's what we did. So I just go through, do as many go through of the buttonholes as you want, as secure as you want to get it. I think I probably did 3 or 4 per hole, and then I go around the button, and this is how I finish it off. I go around, make a loop, put my needle through it, pull that tight. I do that 3 times, and then I made a at the very end, this is the 3rd time I did this loopy thing, and then at the end I do like a knot. I just do a basic knot, and then I make sure to pull it so that that knot goes all the way on the inside, and then I just trim the end. And I'm just saying, I am so excited about this project. With the exception of this button, this was a no sew. You can wash this stuff. I am like, this is awesome for me, that when I don't want to take out my sewing machine, like, look at this, no mess, it dries clear, and look at, I'm really yanking, like I'm really pulling on this to see if it comes off, and it didn't. Look how cute it is. It's adorable. And I got all of this stuff, was cheap. I got these at Dollar General, and those, each of the pot holder and the towel were $1 each. I mean, come on, look at how fun. And now my towel won't fall on the floor. Yay! All right. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.